This is Radhikari and welcome back to my YouTube video. So as it's Mother's Day and
we are going resort.
I'm here, Surna and me, and we all are here with our mother. Here is Anuka Paurel. Mommy, da beta hi garchu.
Anuka Paurel.
Hi. Mero grandmother.
Our
father.
मेरो बाबा चाहिँ भाषण ठोक्ने मान्छे हो। जहाँ गइछ भोटिङमा।
अनि त्यहाँ मेरो mother.
कोले कुरा?
Tell your mother. And we all are going to have dinner at Italy Resort. So let's go. Oh my god. So we are here.
मेरो favorite resort.
Same here. And I'll tell you the story about it. But just now, like I want to say is like हामी आउन त आयौँ, but the weather is so freaking bad. पुरै lightning भइरहेको छ and हावाहुरी चलिरहेको छ. So yeah. And I'll say you the story about this. Wait, look at the sky. Like look at the sky. It's like so lightning भइरहेछ हैन, and हावा यस्तो मजाको चलिरहेछ. And look at this environment. So I want to say, what I want to say is like this place used to be मेरो favorite. Oh my god. This place used to be my favorite spot, you know. I used to come here a lot with my parents, and we literally just stopped. And I came here after a lot of years, and I was getting all the flashbacks. Oh my god, look at the sky. And yeah, I was getting all the flashbacks. And this place has like a lot of memories with me. I just love this place a lot. त्यहाँ त्यो घुमाउने वाला टेबलहरू छ त्यहाँ हैन. This place is like my favorite, my childhood. Look at this place, it's like so aesthetic. This is like my favorite place of all time. Favorite restaurant, favorite everything. So हामी भित्र गएर अर्डर दिइसक्यौँ हामीले. And oh my god, I'll just turn on the flashlight. अनि सोर्नालाई चाहिँ he wanted to see हैन, हामी पहिला कुन प्लेसमा बसेर we used to have our dinner, snacks, and this is the place I'll also show you guys. Like Sorna was not born अनि हामी यहाँ धेरै आउँदै. Look at the lake here. यहाँ पहिला उ पनि हुन्थ्यो, के हुन्थ्यो अरे यहाँ बोटिङ पनि हुन्थ्यो. And it's like a huge वाला lake हैन. अनि oh my god, no money. And look at the घुम्ने वाला table. It's like so gorgeous और टाढो है. Last hour चलिरहेछ आज हैन, ठुलो पानी पर्छ. But anyways, छिट्टा परिरह पानीको अलिअलि. And look at my outfit, guys. देखिरहनु छैन. This is my outfit for today. It literally took half an hour for me to discuss this outfit. I'm not a kind of person who's a shorts लाएर घुम्ने हैन बाहिर जाँदा, but like I was checking Pinterest मा summer outfits and I found this one, and I just looked at my closet and I found the dress and I thought to match it. Yeah, that's all. Okay, clicking pictures here. Corn, and there is our Coke, and त्यसपछि I guess like yeah, we just got peanuts over here, and we all are enjoying fries too. And Swarna is being angry किन भन्दा भाइले Swarnaको friend so sorry. So my boneless chicken chili. There's our pizza. He is paying the bill. And we are getting out of here. We are going back to our home. Catch the lightning and the mobile band. Oh my god, yeah, I catched it. Literally, यस्तो ठुलो भएको हैन, but मैले जब मोबाइल बन्द गर्छु त्यसपछि हुन्थ्यो के. But I finally catched it. To have coffee. Not coffee like I'm going to buy coffee because मेरो भोलिबाट morning classes are. Morning class भने normal time 9:20 हो, तर भोलिदेखि मेरो 8:20 तिर स्कुल छ.
ओ दाइहरु एउटा चीज भनौं.
And yeah, so I have my classes, but I of course need coffee, and my coffee bina baatna sakdina normal time ma pani. Coffee is my breakfast, dude. So I just need coffee. Coffee is okay. So I'm just going to buy that with my whole family. My clothes, and I am just in my comfortable clothes again, and it's summer right now, so of course shorts and a oversized wala t-shirt, and it's raining outside, guys. Oh my god, I saw pani boys. Okay, I can't go there, pani is coming there, so yeah. Now I'm just going to do my earrings, my jewelries, my makeup, and especially I have to sleep quickly. It's already late and and Swarna is going to K class?
Taekwondo class.
Taekwondo class.
Shoe.
Yeah, anyways, so I'll just do everything. Night. Oh my god, kya dammi walker. Yeah, I'll just do my night skincare and everything here. So that's much for today. I hope you guys love it. Love you all. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.